Oh hey guys, didn't see you there. I just came out to catch some rays after watching the movie To Kill a Mockingbird, in which lawyer Atticus Finch, father of the protagonist, Scout, shows true courage and bravery. He knew the right thing to do, and he did it, despite the fact that there was zero chance he would succeed. He defended Tom Robinson till the end because he knew he was innocent. He had committed no crime. Mr. Finch worked and he worked and he worked to defend the undefendable. Without further ado, I give you the closing statement of To Kill a Mockingbird.
Mr. Finch?
To begin with, this case should have never come to trial. The state has not produced one iota of medical evidence proving that the crime Tom Robinson was accused with ever took place. It has relied instead upon the testimony of two witnesses who has not only been called into serious question on cross-examination, but has been flatly contradicted by the defendant. Now there is circumstantial evidence proving that Mayella Ewell was beaten savagely by someone who led almost exclusively with their left. Now Tom Robinson stands before you having given the oath with the only good hand he possesses. I have nothing but pity in my heart for the chief witness of the state. She is the cruel victim of poverty and ignorance. But my pity does not extend so far as to put this man's life at stake in effort to get rid of her own guilt. Now I say guilt, gentlemen, because it was guilt that motivated her. She has committed no crime, merely broken a rigid and time-honored code of our society. A code so severe that whoever breaks it is hounded from our midst as unfit to live with. Now what was the evidence of her offense? Tom Robinson, a human being. She must put Tom Robinson away from her. Tom Robinson was a daily reminder of what she did. Now what did she do? She tempted a Negro. She was white and she tempted a Negro. In our society, she did something that is unspeakable. She kissed a black man. Not an old uncle, but a strong, independent black man. No code mattered to her before, but once she broke it, it came crashing down on her. The witness of the state, with the exception of the sheriff of Macon County, have presented themselves to you, gentlemen, to this court, in the cynical confidence that their testimony would not be doubted. The confidence that you, gentlemen, would go along with them on the assumption, the evil assumption, that all Negroes lie, that all Negroes are basically immoral human beings, and that all Negro men cannot be trusted near our women. An assumption that one associates with the minds of their caliber. And now, a quiet, humble, and respectable man, Negro man, stands here with the unmitigated temerity to feel sorry for a white woman and has had to put his word against the word of two white peoples, I assure you, gentlemen, Mr. Robinson is not guilty, but someone in this courthouse is. In our country, the courts are the great levelers. In our courts, all men are created equal. I am no idealist to believe firmly in the integrity of our courts and our jury system. That certainly is no ideal to me. That is a living, working reality. Now, gentlemen, I believe that you will review, without passion, the evidence in which you have heard, and come to a final decision and restore this man to his family. In the name of God, do your duty. In the name of God, believe. Tom Robinson.
That's all, folks.